I chose to study in that university because it's a very international university. It's not very common to have so many nationalities and cultures all blended into the same melting point. Furthermore, it provides you with opportunities of networking and meeting other people, especially not only other students, but people from the professional field, which then helps you to get internships or future job positions. So I see the Bachelor of Behavioral and Social Science as a great opportunity to delve into different disciplines and get a gist while being able to become an expert in things like consumer behavior, cognitive psychology, all the way to organizational behavior. It gives you the tools to be a very equipped professional, to be prepared for many different types of jobs, whether it be in the private sector, NGO, or even as a government consultant. So studying this program at our university has given me the knowledge and the theory side of things, as well as the practice and the practical application of that knowledge. We do projects that are set in pretty realistic conditions, as if we were presenting to the actual companies, or we were treating with patients, whether it be as a therapy counselor. So it gives you the chance to introduce yourself into practical fields in very vast and different areas of our professional field. My day-to-day life is very different to my school life. In the mornings, I get ready and I come to class and we do all the lectures and the activities the professor has set us. After class, very often, we have group projects, so we have to stay behind and work together, whether it be in the school campus or in the cafes close by. After that, I can go home and do homework or projects on my own time. And I think it's very well balanced. We do have a lot of content that you have to stay on top of, but you still have free time for personal growth.